Good afternoon, everybody. I say afternoon because it is only 7, even though it doesn't look like it. So I've decided for a little challenge today. I'm still waiting for the stuff from Temu to come for my car so we can review it and see how silly it is. But today, I thought of a challenge. Now, I live in a wonderful town called Bishop Stortford, but we're known for one thing, and that's really rubbish traffic. So I thought, because I've only got a bit of time, but I want to do something for you, what if I race my friend? Now, my friend has always said he's particularly fast, isn't that right, James? He plays football, he's much faster than me, I'm a big lad, but I have a car. So I'm gonna drive, park up, and then get to the location, which is a old castle fortress, and he is gonna race me there on foot. I mean, we'll see how it goes. I don't know, because traffic's always awful. The roads are one way in this town, so it might take me a bit longer. He's very fast, so hopefully my car can keep up, but I guess we'll go. So I'm sorry about the light, but this is our starting point. We're just at the beginning of the road here. There's James, he's ready to go. He's gonna do some little bits of videos on his way there as well. But yeah, it's a bit stupid really, but we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna see who can win. I hope I do. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I finally found somewhere to put my phone. I haven't got my phone holder yet. There's James, he's waiting to go and being blinded by some lights. Hopefully you can still hear me. I need to get my setup sorted. But I reckon we say on, what do you want, 3? You wanna count down, James?
3, yeah?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay, right. We're gonna follow him down this way actually. The problem is that, as I said, it's all one way. Oh, and the traffic is awful already. There's cars blocking the road. So because it's all one way, I have to go all the way around. He is very fast, so he probably won't sprint off right now, but he will eventually, or he will sprint off soon. He can go down there, I can't. That's one way, and I've got to wait for these cars to come through. It's not a fun town to drive in. If any of you live in Hertfordshire or know of Hertfordshire, you know that it's not that fun. It's not that easy, and the town roads are just tiny, and it's old. They built this town many years ago. It's quite old. I mean, we've got a pub here from, I want to say, the 1400s. I think it is. I'm not going to say the name on YouTube. I might get demonetized, but there is a pub here from the 1400s. So you know, this town is probably older than America, the Great American state. So try not to kill my car in the process. Yeah, the roads are just awful. You can't go faster. Major speed bumps. I wish I had a dash cam so I could show you what exactly I'm dealing with the roads. But let's see what we can do here. As I said, James is particularly a fast man. He has been playing football for his entire life, and he's always been racing. And now I'm behind a taxi. So yeah, this was very impromptu. I finished work and I wanted to make something, and I thought, why not do a little challenge? We want to make it bigger. It's the end of the month, so money's tight. So we want to make it bigger. So I think next we're going to probably do a race, maybe Cambridge to London, because we're in the middle of both. So that would be ideal. Right. Okay, the road is open up here a second, so I can open it up. I can get to 30. Oh, there's no room to fit through. You're going to see in a second how close this car's going to be next to me.
Okay, so just quick update for you all. Currently passing multi-storey, the field with the castle is just in front. Hopefully he ain't found a parking space, so I'll let you know when I'm there.
Perfect, right, let's go. I honestly have no idea who's going to win this, because I have to go all, even though it's just over there, I have to go all the way round, then I have to park up, then I have to walk into the park. There's lights, there's the traffic, as I've already said about a million times. If you can't tell, I hate the traffic in this town. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing, my car's US compliant, so I wouldn't mind doing a race across London. I know it's been done, but maybe even to Cambridge, because from here to Cambridge there's a few straight trains and buses, but there's also a straight road, so it could be a good competition on public transport. And as I said, we've got a few other things lined up, but I'm just trying to get myself some content out, trying to keep you guys happy, and trying to make sure that I can do my best. So, well, I've reached a car park, so that was quite quick. Now I can't see him, which is either he's there or we're winning. So let's park up real quick, let's swoop it in. Perfect. Right, let's go. So it's very dark and I have no idea where he is. I'm going to show you the mountain in a second and be turning.
Right, so that is where we're going. I don't know if he's made it there. Obviously been held up a bit, but we shall soon find out if he's there or if I beat him.
So this is the mount. I'm not sure whether or not he's trying to race me to the top, but if he is, that's a problem, because the stairs are on the other side. So let's get a jog on. in case you couldn't tell from seeing me. Oh God, the quality's great. I'm not much of a sprinter. I can see the stairs. I don't see him. Oh, maybe I can win this one. I never win anything, so. Okay, I see the gate. I don't see him. I haven't seen him yet. So if he has got here, because that hasn't taken, I've recorded the whole drive. So if he's got it quicker than that, that is impressive. Just up the top here. Let's see. Man, I forgot my stairs. I'm unfit. I'm gonna start working out again. Still can't see him or any shadows. I really hope he isn't one. That would be embarrassing. We're here. We're at the top. Oh, I don't see him. We won. Oh, Jesus, no, I can't see him at all. What a relief. The car is faster than foot again.
So he's there, and he's there. I've been done in. Right there, mate. Right there. So gutting. Oh, mate. I got held up at traffic lights and everything.
Run across the road, buddy.
You told me I can only walk.
No, you could run. You could run. Maybe that's why I beat him. He wasn't running.
Ain't making the rules clear.
He wasn't running.
Oh, he told me
I'm still getting my breath back, but I can hear a noise from the bottom down there. There he is. Oh, to be fair, there was only about 30 seconds in it, so he did well. Next time I'll make it a bit further, so I didn't mean to blind everyone with that light. But oh, there you are, James. Bit late, isn't you?
I got held up at traffic lights and everything.
You held up at traffic? I should have run across the roads, buddy.
You told me I can only walk.
No, you could run. You could run. Maybe that's why I beat him. He wasn't running.
Ain't making the rules clear.
He wasn't running.
Oh,
You would not believe it's only 7 o'clock in this country. I've had to find the light of a little cafe nearby. So anyway, I won easily because James decided to be the slowest man. To be fair on me, he thought he could only walk, so he probably would have beat me otherwise because that was close.
yeah, I got told we were walking and held up at traffic lights, crossing roads.
Held up at traffic lights. That's what they all say. But anyway, I won this one. Next one we're going to do is probably something a bit. We'll probably do to Cambridge using some public transport, and we'll probably do some more sort of round town type of videos. But thank you very much for watching, guys. If you want to see more of this, if you want to see more of James, please like, please subscribe, please share, please do all of that bits and pieces. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.